this will be our first tutorial in HTML, and in this we'll be just designing a simple form, and this will contain a text box which will take input from the user and a submit button. So we'll be using Sublime Text, and let's get started. Okay, and we'll give title form 1 and our body, and in our body we'll be having form, and we'll take input from the user. So input type is text, and we'll give here our is first name, so we'll be taking here name, and this is done. We'll give you a break, okay, so that it gives a little bit of gap, and we'll be using again email ID. This will be done, and now we'll be taking input type text, okay, name, and then we'll be giving a break. Done. Okay, and this is done, and we'll give a submit. So input type will be submit button it is, and we'll be giving a value, because value is whatever is shown. Okay, remember, value is whatever is shown, and name is when you use PHP, then name matters. Okay, this is the form, but we will be giving here pre and center, so that this thing comes at the center. Okay, so this will ultimately come at the center of the screen, and it will look good. Here you go, what happened? Okay, and this is center, and this is done. Okay, we'll give a little bit of styling so that it looks good. Okay, we'll be showing you what is done till now, but before that we'll just give a little bit of styling so that it looks good. Okay, so we'll give a border of, let's say, 1 pixel, solid black. Okay, and we'll be giving a width of let's say 500 pixel, let's say 450 pixel, and we'll be giving a height will be giving of around 300 pixel. That will be done, and we'll give a padding means the gap. Okay, so padding will be giving about 10 pixel, and that will do fine. Okay, and we'll give a background color. Let's say background color will be giving light, let's say light blue. Okay, so light blue will do, and now let's see our form. See, it's beautiful, but yeah, the height is little bit, so we'll be reducing the height, and that will look fine. So here you go, 200 will do hopefully, let's say 150, because our is little bit small. So yeah, and now let's refresh it and see, this is beautiful, it looks good. And now we'll be using, let's say, checkbox. Okay, we'll be using something extra, we'll be using checkbox. So for checkbox, what we'll be doing is first checkbox, then comes name. So what we'll be doing, let's say we'll give branch. Okay, branch. Okay, branch. So let's give, just to show you what checkbox will look like. Okay, so within the branch you will have the checkbox. So input type will be checkbox, and this will contain okay, and this is say IT, and another input, and this will be checkbox again, checkbox, and this will be, let's say, CS. Okay, just to show you how checkbox looks like, and let's give the height a little bit, because when we add checkbox it might take some space. Okay, we are using Sublime Text. Okay, here you go, and we have the checkbox. See, we are having the checkbox, and it works fine. Okay, now we'll be giving a hint, little bit of hint. So what we'll be doing is we will be giving a placeholder. Okay, what the placeholder will do is give a hint. So let's say example, let's say Rohit. Okay, so what we'll be doing is it will give a little bit of hint, and what we'll be doing is here we'll be giving here email ID, and here also we'll be giving a placeholder. And what will the placeholder do is example, let's say we'll get Rohit at the gmail.com. so Rohit gmail.com, and that will do. And now when you check it, you will see they are giving a hint to us. Okay, and we can type here Rohit. See, it's gone, and we can get it back, and we can click the submit button, but it doesn't work till now. Okay, see you in the next tutorial. Be with us. Thank you.